Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the display scale on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Display. In Display Settings, under Scale and Layout, you will see the option for Scale. Click the box that shows the current scale percentage to change it. Then select the scale ratio you want to use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.